Position acquisition and memorizing transmitters. Check that LEDs L3 and L4 on the control unit start flashing. Wait for the garage door to close fully. Open and then close again. Press and hold the key of the transmitter you want to associate with the control unit until LED L2 emits 3 long flashes to show that memorization has taken place. Then release. To memorize a second transmitter, within 10 seconds, press and hold the key you want to associate with the control unit until LED L2 emits 3 long flashes to show that memorization has taken place. Then release. Wait for about 10 seconds to allow the control unit to exit radio self-learning mode. The transmitters have been memorized correctly. To verify that the procedure has been successful, press the key of the transmitter briefly and check that the garage door opens. Then press the same key on the transmitter again and check that the door closes.